Okay, I think there was a little bit of flash there, but I'm not sure. Some of these flashes are hard to tell if it's just the camera or if it's actually a flash. Let's look over there in that dark spot and then tilt the grass down a little bit. Let's look down there. Yeah, always go back there, but I certainly wouldn't want to go back there now.
Chicken.
Alright, let me see you go back there. Alright, now back to the sky. Going back in there. So that way the camera won't get wet. Because I don't feel like destroying this fancy camera. Just need one good flash and then we can go in. There's the thunder, but I didn't see anything. 23 minutes, 20 seconds to get a good flash on here. Oh, I got that. I definitely got that flash on camera. Now let's wait for the rumble. Here it comes. You know, I've noticed that the longer we're out here, the darker it gets. And I just saw another flash. I don't know how good that's going to turn up on camera. I mean, it is really getting darker and darker. And scarier and scarier, honestly. I'm just going to take a quick trip to the grass just to see how that's doing. Why? You know what? Who cares about the grass? And I got a drip on the lens. Time to do some cleaning. Alright, gotta clean it. Oh, sure. Just as I'm cleaning it, there's a flash. You know, I think the camera's under the overhang, so it shouldn't get too wet here. Let's see. Just how dark is it? Wow, it's pretty dark. Let's see, come on, one good flash and then we can all go in. Oh, I think I might have just gotten that flash on camera. Whoa, got that one. Now for the rumble. Okay, that is it. I am done. That was loud. I think I'm done here.